that's gone. Now with the bed mat, pretty much stays, doesn't move around. It's not gonna slide around. So as you can see, there's nothing more annoying than putting something in the bed of your truck only to find it at the very end of the bed, especially if it's a tonneau cover. That's the worst. You either have to crawl in there or you gotta take the tonneau cover off and then get in there to get the item that you have, whether it's luggage, cooler, you name it. Whatever it is, it slides to the front. Because my truck, like a Tacoma, Tundra, and all that, they have plastic bed liners. So I was on the hunt for what's going to fix this, what's going to save me on this. I have this little carpet that I used to put in here just to kind of put things on to make it that way. If this got all dirty and all that, it wouldn't get dirt. The carpet wouldn't get dirty, and whatever I put on it doesn't get dirty. So found Lasfit has a bed mat. It's a all-weather bed mat, and this thing covers the bed really nice. Not only that, Lasfit also has all-weather floor mats. I do have factory Tundra mats from Toyota. They're all right. They're not the greatest, but I went ahead and got the all-weather, all-purpose floor mats from Lasfit as well. So we're looking at that. Look at the fit of that. Look how nice it is compared to what I had for all-weather ones for Toyota, as well as we're looking at the fitment of this, and look how nice this is as well. Any of the products that we talk about here today, there's going to be 15%, I think, coupon down in the description below. Hopefully I'm not a liar about that, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a coupon down below in the description if you're interested in checking any of these out. Not only does it fit for the Tundra, but it's also going to fit for other vehicles like Tacoma, Ford F-150, Silverado, Sierra, even SUVs and all that. Obviously, you don't have a pickup truck, you're not going to get a bed mat, but they also have floor mats for SUVs and cars on that. So you can go to their website below and check it out, any fitment for any vehicle that you have, not just a Tundra. So here are the factory Tundra mats, and as you can see here, notice down there, it doesn't really go up very high. And if it's snowing out or if it's raining out, you're probably going to get sloshed around a little bit of water onto the carpets, especially over here too as well on the side here. And even maybe on a little bit on the back side here. This one's not too bad, but it covers fairly well, but it's just not quite as much as the actual Lasfit ones. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. So here it is with the Lasfit floor mat in there. See how it comes a little bit higher over here? So it can contain any of the liquids or water or anything like that. And then right here, it also comes up over the little hump. And it even covers this little gap right here. So that way there's no water or no liquids that get in between the floor mat and my floorboard. So it's very nice, covers quite a bit more as you can see here. And looks really, really nice. So here is the factory Tundra ones on the passenger side. And here is the Lasfit. Well, it's starting to snow already. I don't know if you can see a little bit. But look how much nicer it comes up here. It just looks a lot more clean and a better fit. You can see, got the lip that goes over the door sill here, comes up on the side here. This one goes way up there. Should be nice, easy to clean. So here's the back. Here's the factory one that I have. It's a little dirty. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the Lasfit one in, but you can see this one kind of comes up over here a little bit. But look at this gap. There's a little gap there. And look how it doesn't really quite go underneath the seat. I don't know if you really need it to, but let's go ahead and look at it with the Lasfit one in. Here we go. Here it is. Got it in here. And look how much further it goes in underneath. Now this will set down as time goes. Look at the coverage right here. And then down here it goes over the window, or the windowsill, door sill here. So it's complete coverage. Look on the hump there. So this side too goes over the door sill. Again, goes way underneath the seat. And I also want to point out over here, it kind of goes up near, so that way when you're putting your boots in here and your shoes and all that, you're not getting your seat all dirty. I also got a seat cover here from a different company, but when you have kids, it gets dirty and all that. So here's the bed mat itself. And you can see there's a little bubble right there. And it's lifted up just a little bit right there. That will go away the more use you get out of it. You're technically supposed to take this out and lay it in the sun and flatten it out once you get it out of the box, because it comes in a small box. But it is, I'm in Kansas City right now, and it's about to snowmageddon on us. And so I didn't really have a whole lot of time to get that out and flattened out. So it's done a pretty good job so far. But as you can see right here, it's a really nice fit. This is the bed mat, and it will got a little lip here. So that way it can contain any, if you got a little water in there or dirt or dust or anything like that. Like, again, I said, that lip right there and all this will lay down flat once it gets more use out of it. So the nice thing is it's got the runners from the factory already in there. And then it's got the little knobs here for the bed bolts already cut out. And then it's got the Lasfit liner emblem right there. It's really nice. And this is made out of a nice TPE rubber. I don't know if that's a rubber, but material. And so it's going to be really, really nice. It's free of allergens and all that type of stuff. It's not going to smell like rubber. You're not going to open up your bed from the tonneau cover and notice that there's a lot of rubber smell. There's none of that going. Oh, it's so cold now. Wish I would have done this sooner. Hopefully snow's coming here. So this is, it's cold now. It's about to snow. It's about to come down. But originally, like I said, I was looking for just a bed mat, just to contain anything from sliding around in the bed of the truck, also to keep the truck bed much nicer and neater. So instead, I ended up buying that and also getting floor mats for all-weather floor mats on front and back. They have these for many different vehicles. They have for other trucks, Tacomas, F-150s. They also have all-weather floor mats for other different vehicles, SUVs, all that type of stuff. So if this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. I appreciate you coming by, as well as if you like tech reviews, home automation, home and auto how-to videos, this is your jam. This is your channel to be on. Other than that, until next time, I will see you later.